Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add notes. This is Instagram new feature. All you have to do, open your Instagram and watch the reels. Here you can post the reels first, and then you can tap on share button, and here you can add your note by tap this icon. So just leave note here, for example. Then you can share with followers you follow back or close friend. Done and share. So this is how you can do it. This is, for example, how you can add notes on your favorite reels. Here, for example, this is my notes. So you can drag the position. So if your friends see this, this is our notes that we already made before. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.